Welcome to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. In the more than 150 years of European settlement of the British North American colonies, by 1776, Americans had developed many different ways of organizing local governments. For example, in Virginia, the House of Burgesses was composed of representatives elected by the Virginia colonists. The oldest representative assembly in the colonies, the House of Burgesses, had its origins in 1619. Only men who owned land could serve in the House of Burgesses. Each county in Virginia had 2 representatives. The House of Burgesses created legislation and addressed the concerns of the people. Virginia also had a governor appointed by the king and an appointed council of state, which had veto over any legislation. The other colonies had their own representative assemblies, and Americans gained experience with self-government before the Revolution. In the colonies, free white men could serve on juries, attend town meetings, and vote in local elections. With few exceptions, however, women, African Americans, Native Americans, and white men who did not own property were not allowed to vote. Despite this, more Americans participated in self-government than did people almost anywhere else in the world. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.